Changing the email link to your Coinbase account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log in using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Email Preferences. Click on this option to proceed with changing your email address. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will be prompted to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you wish to link to your account and confirm it by entering it again if required. Step 5. Verify your new email. After submitting the new email address, check your inbox for a verification email from Coinbase. Click the verification link in that email to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated in your Coinbase account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.